I'm going to show you how I get to revamp this wig right here. If you have a wig that is frizzy, very dry, dull looking, I'm going to show you how to take it from that to this right here. If you want to see how I did it, please keep on watching this tutorial. Take note, my client has had this hair right here for over 6 years, going to 7 years. So the first thing I'm going to do is to wash the hair. Of course, I'm going to wet it and proceed to wash it with my Tresemme shampoo. Please always detangle your hair before washing it. I'm going to put a small amount of the shampoo first, just lather it through. Then I'm going to go back and apply a lot more of that shampoo because of course that small amount is not doing anything. So I'm going to apply more, very generous quantity, and use my fingers or rather my hands to massage the product ultra. You can see how dirty that wig is. Next, I'm going to pour water on the hair just to allow the foam to be able to lather more and to sort of take out the dirt that is also in the wig. So I'm just rinsing off that first batch of water because you noticed that it wasn't very foamy because it was very dirty. So I applied more of that shampoo and kept on using my hands to massage and just run my fingers through the hair. I applied a lot more of that shampoo and I kept on washing it because I noticed the hair was really dirty. Then I poured water on it to start rinsing it off. And while I'm trying to rinse it off, I'm still massaging the hair and trying to wash it and take out any dirt that are trapped in the hair. So next, I'm going to rinse off the hair and proceed to condition the hair. And I'm using my Tresemme Rich Moisture Conditioner. Apply very generous amount all over the hair from one side to the other side, from the tip all the way to the top or from the top all the way to the tip. Be generous with your conditioner, please. Next, what I'm going to do is just to add a little more of that conditioner and then I'll proceed to apply my deep conditioner, which is going to be this Argan Oil Keratin Magic Complex. Apply a very generous amount also all over the hair because you notice that when your hair is been old, because this hair has been over 7 years, my client bought this hair from me, it starts to need more moisture in terms of oils. So I use castor oil. I used like a cover of the container, applied it from the top all the way to the tip of the hair. Next, I'm also going to add coconut oil to the hair. I just used like not a full cover of that container. I just applied coconut oil all over and I kept on using my hands to run through the hair. Then I brushed through the hair to ensure that the hair was completely detangled. And when I was pleased with what I had, what I'm going to do next is to heat up the hair in a microwave for about 3 minutes and then I'll proceed to the next step. So I heated up the hair for about 3 minutes in the microwave and then next I'm going to rinse off the product from the hair. And after rinsing off the product from the hair, what I'm going to do is to air dry the hair. And after air drying the hair, we'll come over again to style it. It's time to style the hair. I'm going to apply my Moroccan Argan Growth Oil to the hair. I'm going to apply very generous amounts generally because what I want to do with this hair is I want to blow dry it because I noticed it was very stiff. The blow drying is going to allow the hair to have more movement and be more flowy. So I sprayed that heat protectant spray, which is the Argan Oil Protein Magic Complex from Delofil. And then I used my hand dryer to just do like a general blow drying with my hairbrush. I have another blow dryer. I just don't know why I just keep going back to this hand dryer. I don't know why I keep going back to it. Meanwhile, I bought a new one recently. Really nice. Maybe I'll probably do a review of my new hand dryer and my hair straights. And I invested in a lot of beauty products recently. Some of them haven't even arrived yet, but when they come, I'll definitely review the products for you guys here. So what I'm doing now is just a section of the up part of this hair and clip it away on both sides. Section it away and clip it on top. What I'm going to do now is use this brush here for blow drying hair and use my hand dryer to start blow drying this hair because I noticed the hair was very frizzy when my client sent it to me, so it didn't have any movement. It was pretty stiff. That's the reason why I said I'm going to blow dry the hair and then straighten it just to ensure that the hair has movement. It still has that natural shine to it and it's very healthy. I don't want to over straighten the hair to make it shrink. I want it to still have that flow and movement despite it being straightened. It still feels very healthy and bouncy and all of that. So I kept on blow drying the hair. I applied my Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to this other section that I cut out and I kept on using a hand dryer and that brush to blow dry the hair just to ensure that any stiff part of this hair, any hair that does not want to conform to how I'm positioning it to go, it is being forced to conform with that blow dryer. So using that hairbrush, just brush through the hair, brush through the hair. Your hair must conform when you're styling it. But you as a human being, you don't have to conform to the standards of this world. Like the Bible says, be ye not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewal of your mind. Yeah, we're cutting scriptures today. So guys, after blow drying the hair, I went in with my Cloud9 hair straightener and I started to straighten the hair from the top to the tip. You notice that because I'm working in large section right here because with the blow drying, the hair was already smooth and straightened. So I didn't really need to go in and start straightening it in smaller sections. But you can still choose to straighten it in smaller sections if you feel like when you're straightening it, you're not getting that smooth straight look that you want. So just work in smaller sections and keep on going. So for the top part of this hair, I'm also doing the same blow drying thing. I'm going to blow dry the entire hair and then straighten it. Blow dry and straighten. Blow dry and straighten. That's what I'm going to do for the entire hair. If you're watching this video so far and you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button right below and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads from our channel. Also, if you haven't bought my ebooks, they're available on my website. How to start your hair business ebook, hair extensions and how to test its quality. These ebooks are available on my website and they are very affordable, like 5,000 naira, 7,000 naira, like for very, very cheap. It's literally not even up to the cost of a meal. So shop these ebooks and get all the knowledge you need about the hair business, stories that will help you get motivated in terms of how I started, how I'm keeping on, pricing your product, the best type of hair extension. Like there's so much in this book that you really need to learn about because most time people just get into business and just, without knowing a whole lot that can really help them and keep them encouraged to like focus on the reason why they started. So this book is really going to help you focus on your why, even when the going might seem tough. Yeah. So this is what the hair looks like right now, blow dried, straightened, really healthy, fluffy, unlike how it looked stiff before. So I'm going to go back now to the top part of the hair and start styling it. Yeah, so we start from the bottom part and we work our way to the top because when you're building a house, you start from the foundation and then you take it all the way to the top. You see? Same analogy. So I'm blow drying the hair on the upper part of this wig. After blow drying this side of the hair, I'm going to go over to the other side and also blow dry it before I then proceed to straighten the hair. And if you are watching this video so far, you've gotten to this point, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like this video and share with somebody who is also going to get value out of it, please. And I really appreciate you for watching my videos, for commenting, for sharing them, for your suggestions on what you want to see. I really, really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And I wish that you also get the same support in all that you do in life. Thank you. So for this other part of the hair, I'm also blow drying it. Yeah, I'm going to keep on blow drying it. And then after I'm done, I'm going to use my hair straightener to just straighten the hair on both sides. And after I'm done straightening the hair, I'm going to work on the closure area. Yeah. So when straightening, be careful of all those marks that might come from the hair straightener. Just try as much as possible to go back in there and clear it up. Then I reapplied my argan oil serum to the hair, just add more moisture to the hair because like I said, the hair was very stiff and had no movement. So I know this hair needs a lot of moisture. That's the reason why I'm going back in with that argan oil serum to just re-moisturize the hair again, especially the tips of the hair. So what I'm doing now is to section out the closure area and then use my hair wax to lay any flyaway hairs that are there down. I'm also going to spray my heat protectant spray and use my hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. If you have a hot comb, use your hot comb, but I like using my hot coiling one because it gets quite hot and I'm just comfortable with it. But in some other tutorials in the future, I'll definitely use my hot comb. So this is what the hair looks like, and this is what we started with. Very stiff, boring, dull looking old wig, but see how fresh and revived this wig looks right now. If you need hair revamp services and you're in Lagos, Nigeria, or you're somewhere in Nigeria and you're willing to ship it to me, send your wigs to me for wig revamp services. I charge just 1,000 naira currently. I'm still very cheap. Yeah, thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love.